Snatz the Brave, Battle for Featherville, starring Snatz the Brave and Mico the Mighty. In the heart of the Green Valley, under the sapphire sky, sat the peaceful town of Featherville. Birds sang, mice danced, and all was well until they came. Out of the dark woods marched an army of bad animals, led by General Claw, the sneaky raccoon with a metal tail, and his lieutenants, Brutus the bullfrog, Vexa the vulture, and Spike the porcupine. They had one goal: take over Featherville. High above the clouds, Snatz the Brave, the mighty superhero, Cockatiel, was flying loops with his best friend, Mico the Mighty, the cleverest brown mouse in the land. Snatz! Mico! Look! Smoke over Featherville! Mico! By the whiskers of my tail! Something's wrong! We have to go now! With a flap and a leap, our heroes dashed back to Featherville. But it was too late. The bad animals had already taken the town square. Feathers and fur flew. The Featherville flag had been torn down and replaced with General Claw's scary paw print banner. Mico, we need a plan. Snatz, we'll take it back. For Featherville. That night, in a secret underground nest, Mico drew blueprints while Snatz sharpened his wing feathers. Mico, here's the plan. We split their forces. I'll sneak into the command tower and distract Vexa. You lead the sky strike. Snatz, time to bring the storm. At sunrise, the sky exploded with colour as Snatz dive-bombed Brutus and Spike, knocking their helmets off with a wham and a whoosh. Brutus, Ribbit, who turned out the lights? Spike, my quills. Meanwhile, Mico zipped through underground tunnels, popping out right behind Vexa and giving her tail a big bite. Vexa, squawk! At the heart of the chaos stood General Claw, laughing atop the Featherville bell tower. General Claw, you think you can stop me? Snatz, I don't think. I know! Snatz spun into a tornado twirl, blasting wind so strong it blew off Claw's metal tail. Clunk! Mico teamwork always wins furball. And just like that, Featherville was free again. The bad animals ran back to the dark woods, chased by birds flapping and mice chanting. Snatz, Featherville is safe once more. Mico, and I didn't even lose my cheese pouch this time. Everyone laughs. With the skies clear and the sun shining bright, Snatz the Brave and Mico the Mighty stood tall, ready for their next adventure. Because no matter how big the battle, Featherville will always have its heroes. The end.
So if you hear a flappy beat and tiny claws on city street, don't you fear, don't you hide.